Oh, look at this. Precious Piper's sitting in a sunny spot. Yeah, I don't know why cats do that, but they do. They like to sit in sunny spots. Yeah, probably because their body temperature is higher than ours. Yeah, that's what I heard. Yeah, it probably feels pretty good, huh? Look at that. She looks so shiny and pretty. Yeah, that's a nice way to show how shiny your fur is. Oh, there's her tuffet. Oh, stretch. Oh boy, that must feel good. That was a good stretch. Now she has to do her carpet inspection. Oh, you're so pretty, Piper. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're my pretty baby. Yeah. Pretty precious Piper. Yeah, are you pretty or are you pretty precious? Yeah, which one? I think both. That's what. There's my baby. Oh, what a pretty girl. Yeah. Oh,